school supplies are so unique and beautiful, but you two really have no taste.
Excuse me, your school supplies are straight up boring. Talking about school supplies, mine are better than both of yours.
We're in high school, ladies, so behave accordingly. You can talk whatever you want.
I know who has the best school supplies in this class. Oh, please. Look at this perfection. My notebook has liquid inside. How cool is that? You just can't compare that.
Ladies, I think it's time for DIY school supplies competition.
Yes.
First round, notebooks. Give me your best idea.
I got it.
Let's make a fruity slime notebook. Take a plain notebook in any color you like. Stick a rounded container on the notebook and decorate it using colored sponge paper. Since we're making a fruity notebook, I decided to create a slice of orange, watermelon, and kiwi. Fill the empty spaces with some stickers, buttons, or other colorful decorations. Make some slime in the same colors as your fruit. Fill the pots with green, orange, and red slime, screw the lids back on, and there we have it. This notebook is so fun, colorful, and a perfect stress reliever for nerve-wracking days at school. I mean, who doesn't love playing with slime? I am definitely obsessed with it. And how cool it is to have slime built in your notebook. This notebook is super plain, so we're gonna transform it into something useful and pretty. Using a ruler and an X-Acto knife, cut out the center of the front notebook cover. We're left with sort of like a picture frame. Apply some glue or stick double-sided tape on the inside like this. Stick on a cork sheet and ta-da! A corkboard notebook is born. Grab some push pins. I have these gorgeous animal-shaped ones. Now you can pin your schedule, important notes, reminders, and to-do lists right on the cover of your notebook. Corkboards are so useful and I've always wanted to have one, but this one is even cooler as it is portable and you can take it with you to school every day. You can even pin on a flattering note for your teacher. Now that's a sneaky strategy, Maya. For our third notebook design, grab a transparent Christmas bauble and we're only gonna need one half. Fill it up with lots of colorful pom-poms. You guys know I love these. And the more the merrier, so I wanna fit as many as I can in here. Glue your colorful half sphere on a plain blue notebook. Cut yellow sun rays plus white fluffy clouds from sponge paper and glue them on your notebook as well. Time for a happy dance because I'm completely obsessed with this notebook. I love the colorful 3D sun, the texture, the pom-poms, and everything about it. Just looking at this bright creation makes me so happy. DIY school supplies truly are the best school supplies in the world. This notebook will bring sunshine into my life even on cold winter days. But which of the three notebooks will teacher like best? Let's find out together.
Ooh, this notebook is so playful and fun. I like it.
Nice work, Sarah, you get a 9.
Yes, Katie, your notebook is interesting. What do we have here?
It's a stress reliever notebook. Are you trying to sneak slime in class?
No, miss. This is only to play during break.
Slime is not allowed in class. You get a 6.
What? This is unfair. I was not trying to sneak slime to class.
Enough. Maya, let's examine your masterpiece.
This is so useful for notes and schedules. And what is this? I have the best teacher in the world.
Really? You mean it?
Thank you, Maya. You're such an exemplary student. Without a doubt, you get a 10. Bravo! Bravo!
You're cheating.
Second round, organization. Come on!
I'm winning this one.
Let's make an epic spinning organization wheel for your desk. We will need a bunch of jars and a spinning cake plate. Place the jars on the center of the platter. I like to use different jar sizes as I will store different school necessities in each of these. I'm placing colorful pencils in the center jar. Sharpies, markers, and pens will find home in tall side jars. The small jars are perfect to store in tape, paper clips, push pins, and other small bits and pieces that usually lay around your desk. This spinning organizer will help you keep your desk super clean and tidy. You can definitely customize it to your liking by decorating the jar and the platter. Go ahead and spray paint them or glue on decorations like buttons, gems, or pom-poms. However, I decided to keep my jars transparent as this way you can clearly see what's inside. Also, all the bright colors of my school supplies already give me that happy vibe. Oh no, the homework papers got all crushed and wrinkly. The teacher will be so mad. Wait, this chips box can work as an awesome paper organizer. Wrap some decorative paper around the packet like this. Secure it in place with a few pieces of tape and voila! Say goodbye to wrinkly papers and hello to an organized school bag. This cylinder-shaped paper holder will keep all your important papers, projects, essays, and homeworks perfectly safe and neat. It's a great way to recycle empty chips packages, plus you can make it in a matter of
seconds. What? Is this another sneaky note for the teacher? Maya really knows how to play this game, doesn't she? But will the teacher fall again? We will find out soon. But before that, we still gotta eat this delicious surprise egg and make a cute organizer out of it. Opening up this thing is always so exciting. Whoa, nice toy! But we're more interested in the yellow egg, which we're gonna transform into a cute minion. This blue lace strip will represent a skirt of our little yellow friend. Use some hot glue to stick it in place. Add 2 googly eyes on the top part and the cutest minion organizer is complete. You can use it to store paper clips, push pins, erasers, and other tiny bits and pieces that normally lay around your pencil case. This is so handy, adorable, and a great way to recycle the plastic packaging from chocolate eggs. Your new minion friend will help you keep your pencil case all tidy and organized.
What a cute minion organizer! I like it! It's lovely, it's handy, and a great organization gadget. Katie, you get a 9! Yay! Wow, what a big creation! This is very clever, Sarah! Yay! I am impressed! This deserves a 10! Good job! Woohoo! Maya, I loved how you recycled an old chips package. So interesting! You are beautiful! Oh, stop! Really? You're incredible! It's a 10! Well done! So, Genj, thank you! Final round, bookmarks! Come on, get to work! I know!
Paperclip bookmarks are easy to make plus very useful. These are also super cute. Take a large colored paper clip. Stick on a medium-sized pom-pom in the same color. Place a googly eye on top and the cutest bulging eye bookmark is born. Obviously I had to make a bunch of these in different colors because they are just too adorable. They look so gorgeous when peeking out of notebooks. These kind of school supplies are seriously the best. So inexpensive and easy to put together, but at the same time super useful and will always bring a big smile on your face. I don't buy plastic straws anymore, but I had this for years, so it's time to recycle and make something cool out of them. This technique was inspired by Idun Goddess and I've always wanted to try it out. Place a bunch of straws in a parchment paper fold. Grab an iron and iron these babies up. Straw plastic will melt, flatten down and stick together. I want to make my bookmark even more awesome by adding a tassel. I made this one myself and as you can see I tried to match the colors of my strings to the colors of the bookmark. Tie the tassel through the punched hole and the bookmark is all done. Can you believe that we transformed plastic straws into something so amazing? I'm pretty mind blown, I must admit. This DIY project was so different and fun to make. It's always a sad time when you finish your ice cream, right? But it doesn't have to be. Use your popsicle stick to create a beautiful flower bookmark. Color it in green with acrylic paint. This way we'll transform it into a flower stem. You may need a couple of coats to make it completely opaque. Take some colored foam paper and cut out a flower. Here we went for an orange tulip. Glue it on the stem, add a little green leaf as well, and the flower bookmark is ready to read a ton of interesting books with you. This one is so gorgeous and it will even make a nice little gift for your friend or anyone that loves reading books. You can be creative and make other flowers like a rose or a daisy. Miss Teacher has always adored flowers, so she will probably love this bookmark too. Unless something unexpected happens.
Are so adorable. You did a great job. Oh, thanks. I like this a lot. You get a 9. Woohoo! Sarah, your bookmark is interesting, but plastic straws, they're terrible for the environment. But miss, I had these straws for 6 years. It's better to recycle than throw them away. I would never buy plastic straws today. No excuses. Plastic straws have no place in this classroom. You get a 3. What? Maya, a flower. You always know how to make the best school supplies. Oh, there's a note. This flower is prettier than you. Maya! I have no idea how this happened. I haven't written anything. How dare you? But I haven't written... Who did this?
Whose school supplies did you like best this time? Are you Team Sarah, Team Katie, or Team Maya? Let me know how you would score the DIYs in each round. Happy new school year, everyone! Mwah!